Hey guys, and welcome to the garage, and a happy new year to all of you. Today we're going to take a look at all the new kits for 2023 that have been announced so far. Of course, this is not the entire list of new kits. There will be new kits announced throughout the year as the year progresses. We have always get a couple new kits from Hasegawa, maybe Oshima, and some more new Revell kits. Who knows? But this is what we do know so far. December was kind of a busy month. A couple of manufacturers made their announcements, as well as we got a leak from one of them as well. We're going to get started with AMT. So we know about the 2022 Ford Bronco kit that's coming later this year. Remember, it's kind of like it's going to be a curbside, but with as they say, as AMT says, good detail. Also, the new 2021 Dodge Charger RT kit that is coming this month should be out any minute now here in January. They're also going to be doing a couple of promo style pickup truck kits. They're redoing the tooling from the 90s that the Chevy Dually 3500. Remember that one? It was molded in like a dark maroon, burgundy, whatever. Well, they're redoing the tooling for that one, and they're also going to be doing a 1500 short bed. These are all going to be, both of them are going to be in the unbuilt promo style kits, same as they were back in the 90s. The good news is they're going to be doing the grille so they can accommodate clear headlight lenses. It'll be having clear headlight lenses. So that's great news on that front. Bad news is MSRP for the Dually is like $35. When you consider the price for the MSRP for the Charger, it's like $37. It's a lot of money for an unbuilt promo kit. The 1500 should be out Q2, and the Dually Q4 possibly early 2024. Now we're going to take a look at DM model kits. You remember these guys? They did the 4 Sierras last year. Well, they're back with a couple more rally kits. They're going to be doing the Citroen C4 for Rally Monte Carlo 2007, Rally Catalunya 2008, and 2009 Rally Portugal. And they're also going to be doing the Ford Escort WRC for Portugal 98. Monte Carlo 97 and Catalunya 1997. I know I'm not pronouncing that one correctly. Heller is up next, and they are back from the dead, and they put out a video on their YouTube channel of the upcoming kits for the year. And we have a couple new automotive kits to talk about, but also some trailers. First up, they're doing a car transport trailer. Think the Brian James style trailer that Aoshima did. I don't think it's branded that way, but it looks very similar. They're doing a goods trailer. A Citroen 2CV Fourgonette AK250, Renault Fourgonette F4, Massey Ferguson 135 tractor. Oh, it's good to have some more tractor kits. We're going to be doing some dioramas of Europe, so whatever that is, it looks neat. And while not new, they're basically making a new kit with the car transport trailer, making a Gordini racing set. Revell of Germany is up next, and like every year, we get to see the list at the first January 1, the first of the year, from IP Deutschland. They post the list for what Revell of Germany is going to be doing for the year. Earlier in the month of December, midway through December, a UK hobby store called Hannitz published the list as well. They've been doing this the last couple of years. We got a sneak peek before, and there's some new kits on here. We're going to start it with the Land Rover Series 3 LWB 109 commercial version. This one is basically going to be the 3-door version, so versus the 5-door, with a modified structure and a new platform. They're also going to be redoing the 1990 VW Corrado, this time as a hardtop, which means they're going to be basically having to redo the entire body. But cool to see that one come back. As it says, the translation, as a gift set, we can rebuild the 1990 VW Corrado in June. The new tooling. This is very interesting. It doesn't actually say new tooling in the list, but obviously it is going to be a new tool because we haven't had this kit yet. The Corvette C8 Coupe, due out in October, November. Also, the other new tooling for 2023 is going to be the James Bond Aston Martin DB5 Gold Finger, due out in September. Everything else on the list is going to be reissues. There's a theme going for this year for 23, and it is James Bond with Revell Germany. Also, there is the new Mustang Mach 1 new tool that's being done for the European market in their boxing. Savino's JR Models is up next, and they finally got the licensing scored away for the Ford and Toyota stuff. And they're going to start with the Fords, and first up will be Team Penske's Joey Logano's 2022 Ford Mustang lottery winner championship kit, followed by Team Penske's Austin Cindric 2022 Ford Mustang Daytona 500 winner. Both are set to be released in February. I'm not holding my breath. And finally, Tamiya has a new kit, automotive kit, coming. And this was the leaked information, as I don't think Tamiya was ready for this information to be publicly published. Spot Model is one of them that put the listing up, and it is going to be the Gordon Murray Automotive Type 50 kit. This will be the next new automotive kit from Tamiya. No release date or pricing as of this video has been published yet, but we know it's coming sometime here in 2023. So there we go, the new kits that we have to look forward to here in 2023. Let me know in the comments below what you are looking forward to the most from this list, and are you looking forward to the stuff that hasn't been announced yet? So on that note, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.